take every opportunity to celebrate the work of nurses on the front line, and will leave with you with Suzanne Gordon's poem entitled, I'm Just a Nurse. I'm just a nurse. I just make the difference between life and death. I'm just a nurse. I just have the educated eyes that prevent medical errors, injuries and other catastrophes. I'm just a nurse. I just educate patients and families about how to maintain their health. I'm just a nurse. I just make the difference between dying in agony and dying in comfort with dignity. I'm just a nurse. I'm just the real bottom line in healthcare. I'm just a nurse. I just make the difference between pain and comfort. I'm just a nurse. I just make the difference between healing, coping, and despair. I'm just a nurse. I just work in a major hospital, managing and monitoring patients who are involved in cutting-edge experimental medical or nursing research. I'm just a nurse. I'm just a professor of nursing who educates future generations of nurses. I'm just a nurse. I'm just a long-term care nurse who makes the difference between staying in one's home and going to a nursing home. In the last line of this poem, my dear friends and colleagues, Suzanne Gordon asks the question, don't you want to be just a nurse too? Of course, the privilege for so many of us in this room is that we all just are. Tua e ki opa atu.